Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to reset parental control pin. Now, to reset parental control pin in Google Play Store, all you have to do is turn off the parental control and turn it back on. When you turn it back on, it will ask you for a new pin. So let's do that right now. The first thing you do is open up your Google Play Store, then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, tap on settings, tap on family, tap on parental control. As you can see, it's on. Turn it off by putting the previous pin, and now I want to change the pin, so simply turn it on again and it's asking for a new pin, so you can now use a different pin if you want. And once you've used the new pin, try to enter the new pin. You have to enter it again to confirm your new pin and to tap on OK. It's as simple as that. So like I said earlier, to reset the parental control pin, all you have to do is turn off parental control with the old pin, and then when you turn it on again, it will ask you for new pin. It's as simple as that.